Hi guys, welcome to my reading Karma Varma. Sorry for tripod. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Karma Varma Readings and happy November to you all. Happy Diwali. So today I'll be doing channel messages from your person. So I'll be doing channel messages from your person and it'll be a quick 5 minute reading or maybe 10 minutes. Let's see. So let's get started. So let's get started with the channel messages. Let's start. The first card which came out was Judgment. I'm making the decision once and for all to turn this around. Regret. I never should have let you go. I'm afraid of going all in with you and then losing myself in this relationship. I miss you so much. I want to see you soon. I have never opened myself up to anyone before like I have with you. I'm running and hiding because I just can't handle the truth right now. Desire on fire, passion is strong. Every time I see you, I always get amazed by how beautiful you truly are. Be brave and make the first move. So you're planning to make the first move, the divine masculines and your person, whoever you're asking for. I'm really sorry that I've hurt you. Now that I now that it was now that it was hurting me. Know that it was hurting me too. I made one reply. I'm really sorry that I've hurt you. Know that it was hurting me too. I want a new beginning with you. I know I messed up things. Could I get a second chance to make things right again? Time ain't waiting to okay? Time ain't waiting to express your feeling. So they know that time is not waiting for them anymore. They need to express their feelings. It's a very quick energy. It's like it's gonna be happening in some. For some, it could be like in this day, this week, this month. Very strong energy of this month. I know in my heart that someday somehow we will be together again. I'll take some from this as well. So, I want to kiss you all the time. They like kissing you all the time. Even if we don't hear from, even if you don't hear from me, don't mistake my silence for not loving you. So sweet. Would you give me the chance to make things right between us? I want to take care of you, but I can't right now because of money problems. I feel weak and lack confidence. If only I had the courage to tell you how much I still love you. You found parts of them they didn't know existed. It's not your fault your light shines bright. I pushed you away because I was confused about how I was feeling. You dream of me, I dream of you, we are connected in fighting. If you don't know where you stand, chances are you're not their priority. So, yeah, if right now you're not talking to each other and your person is busy, could be a girl or a guy. It's not gender specific or doesn't reply resonate with any gender. But if a person is not able to give you time, maybe they have other priorities. So the last one was very brutal. Like if you don't know where you stand, chances are you're not their priority. So you're not their priority right now. It's okay. You do your work. You go ahead in life. Nobody waits for no one. Time does not wait for anybody. Uh, and yeah, keep doing your work. Or chase your dreams. And if people are meant to be in your life, they'll come. And always have this light. And okay, the bottom energy was I got scared and ran away from you. The intensity of my feelings for you made me fearful. Yeah, let's get some more from this. Let's see. I still love you so much. I don't love myself, so how can I love you? I feel you leaving me behind. Some of you are not talking to them at all. You're all I ever wanted. Your name is the answer to all my problems. You make me wanna come. It's a little explicit kind. Life is short, live every moment. Marriage, excuse me. Life is short, so live every moment. So they're asking you to like, life is short, so live every moment you can. If it's meant to be, it will be. So they know if it's meant to be, it will be. I love you unconditionally. Healing family issues, so they might be going through family problems. Where do we go from here? So they're asking you, where do we go from here? You are my heaven on earth. So yeah, these are some amazing messages which I've got from your person, and this purple tech bottom energy was wait, I'll just appropriately go a little deeper. Again, A listed 18 plus. So yeah, thank you so much guys for joining in. Please share, like, share, and subscribe. Share with your friends, and yeah, be blessed. Happy Diwali. Shine bright, and dress to impress this season, festive season. And I love yourself. Bye. Take care of yourself. Bye. Take care.